Glad to have you here with me. I hope you're well. In this video I want to give you something really cool. I want to focus in on an AI prompt that's very simple, that you can customize, but I'm going to give you a 5-minute ChatGPT prompt that will build you a $1,000 a day side hustle. Now let me just clear up a few points. That doesn't mean, just for sake of clarity, that you can enter this prompt and you're going to have a $1,000 a day business like magic. But what it will do for you is map out a plan. It will also give you a series of options, like different ways of reaching that income goal. You can modify it to a niche that you like, you can modify it to a process that you like, and you can also get step-by-step help with each of the steps to take. And it will also make sure that the business is easy for you to enter as a beginner. So I'm going to give you a prompt that you should start with. You can customize things like the $1,000 a day and go higher or lower, and the different niches that you can pick. But use this prompt that I'm going to give you and let me know how you get on with it. I'm sure you will get some use out of it. If you do like this stuff, do give us a thumbs up. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you ever so much. It does help and it lets me know that you're watching. And feel free to subscribe if you're interested in building AI income streams. And make sure that you get your freebie. Your freebie is 100 AI prompts that will give you everything, that all the prompts that you need, like this one I'm about to show you, that will allow you to build a business fast. But you've got 100 of them that focus in on different areas. So do check that out. That's totally free. The link is in the description. Okay, so here we go. What is the 5-minute prompt that builds a $1,000 a day side hustle? Here's the exact prompt that you want to use. It is a little bit of a priming prompt with instruction as well. So use something like this. Here's the prompt. You are a world-class business strategist and AI expert specializing in building side hustles that generate $1,000 a day. Your task is to create a step-by-step plan for highly profitable side hustle that requires minimal upfront investment, can be scaled easily, leverages online tools, and targets a high demand niche. Include the exact steps and tools and resources needed to launch and grow this side hustle. Your explanation should be simple and actionable, designed for someone with no prior experience but willing to learn. Provide a monetization strategy, an example of a niche to target, and a growth roadmap for hitting $1,000 a day within 90 days. Now you can obviously change that, the target, the amount of time, but what it will do firstly is give you an idea to be able to create that income within 90 days and map out a plan to do it. Now if you don't like the idea that it gives you, you can ask for another one, or you can modify the prompt and ask for a selection. But for the purposes of this video, I'm going to give you the example that it gave me on the screen. And here we go. Step-by-step plan for a $1,000 a day side hustle. Niche to target health and wellness. Natural sleep aids and solutions is an example. Foundation phase, days 1 to 10. Choose your niche, and it's given me an idea of how to do that. Step 2, set up the website, buy a domain from Namecheap, some ideas on hosting and how much it would cost, install WordPress, install SEO, WP Rocket, pretty links for affiliate links. And the other thing that this is actually showing me or telling me the plan to do is set up a YouTube channel to go alongside the affiliate site in this case. So create a YouTube account and name it around your niche, sleep solutions. Step 2, create content with keyword research. Here we go. Step 5, write blog content. Step 6, create the YouTube videos. Now, before we go any further on this, you can see that it's giving you a good overview of how to do this. The next step, assuming that you liked this method that it's giving you, is to take each of these, and if you needed help with them, get more help. The best way to do that is to copy the step that you want more information on and go explain this in full with a complete step-by-step guide and the keywords that I should end up with. Help me pick the products. So you can go into any of these areas, write blog content, create YouTube videos, and get a complete step-by-step. Back to the overview plan, it's given a monetization phase and how to do it, add affiliate links, affiliate partnerships, promote your content. Growth phase, scale content creation, launch paid ads, run Pinterest ads or Google ads, optimize and upsell, partner with brands. Monetization strategy, affiliate sales, ad revenue and sponsored posts. And it's also got a rough idea of the goals here. Traffic goals, blog 50,000 monthly views, YouTube 10,000 views per video. And then you've got a revenue breakdown, $600 a day from affiliate sales, $300 a day from ad revenue, and $100 a day from sponsorships. And then tools and resources needed. So when we go back here, you can see it's a very clear bird's eye view plan of that particular strategy, that particular side hustle. And again, what you would do, you wouldn't just leave it like this, you would then need help with picking the niche. So you can go back to each, here we go, step 1. You could take this and go, give me a complete step-by-step how to do step 1 and recommend me some niches that will pay really well, that will get a lot of traffic, a lot of sales without a lot of competition. So you can get clarity on each of these steps by asking for a step-by-step and exactly what you want. So when you ask for the step-by-step, tell, in this case ChatGPT, what your goal is, and it will help you with that step. And of course, if you didn't like this suggestion for a for the actual side hustle, you can ask for another one. It will then give you tools and resources, and what you could do there is ask for free ones. Okay, so you've got a simple plan. The other thing that will really help is when you've got the goals here, growth roadmap to $1,000 a day. You can get more clarity by telling AI the products you're going to be promoting, how much you make per sale, and then you'll be able to work out what percentage sales you need, what conversion rate you need, and how many views. So quick takeaways from this video: use this prompt, change any of the aspects of this prompt to what you want. $1,000 a day, $2,000, $500 a day, whatever you want. I've put within 90 days. You could change that to whatever you want within 6 months. That's absolutely fine. And use it for ideas as well. So using this criteria, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, you will get some really, really good business ideas that you'll be able to start quickly. Again, I hope this video helps you. It's to give you a $1,000 a day side hustle plan to actually build it and to actually get results. Of course, there's going to be some trial and error. Of course, it will go down to a lot of different things, whether your product sells, what niche you're in. But use this and get some ideas for your goals specifically. I think you'll have some fun with it. Do let me know in the comments how you get on, and I will see you in the next video. Cheers for watching, guys.